Yeah, they just killed Scrappy.
Alright. And then over here now, so watch the windows, they're gonna open and try and shoot you.
Yeah!
Dude, help.
Woo! Woo!
What the fuck is going on?
Yeah!
Oh my god, you gotta kill! What the fuck, man?
Let's get... I wish, dude.